Good morning, everyone. This is Roland, Barbecue Smoker Pros, Braselton, Georgia. And we have an awesome Iron Hog smoker here. This is just a beautiful job. Heavy duty front tongue, 5,000-pound Bulldog trailer hitch. 5,000-pound Bulldog front hitch. Look at that front middle frame member. So remember, you're buying more than just a smoker. You're buying the frame, you're buying the tires. Please look at the quality of what the parts are. Our number one rule here is safety, safety, safety. Grease nipple right there to keep it greased. Here's a paper towel flag hole in the front. There's your rib box. Beautiful spring handles all around. Look at these pull-out grates. This is an option, but this is just awesome. Makes it easy to pull out. Vent inside. And again, when you're looking at builders, please look at the quality of what they do. Look at the welding job here. Full length. Look at the welding through here. Here's the firebox. Again, spring handles, I call them. There's your vent into the smoker, expanded metal. Now this is what a new invention of us. There's our new vents. These are twisting vents. So you can open them and then you can see they start unscrewing out for even more airflow. So you can turn it all the way in to tighten it or screw it out. I don't know anybody else doing that. Full length, grinded, paint job. Look at these racks. Bent diamond plate in the front. So again, when you're looking at quality of build, recessed doors, fully welded, angle iron support, big tabs, beveled edges. Here, look at the chimney. Look at the long handle. So again, you're buying a smoker or a grill for a long time. I mean, this is going to be around probably 20 years. Radial tires, upgraded radial tires, bias or standard, bias ply. These are radial tires. Paper towel flag holder front and rear. Again, the chimney. Big massive firebox, 3 vents. Big massive rib box. Square job. This is not angled. This is nice and square. Pull out, vent. Again, the welds. So please compare apples to apples. Look at that. And then here, full length fenders, handmade. Here is your mobile billboard. Have a local sign guy. Have your local high school kid who's a graffiti expert. Put your logo right on this billboard. It's like a moving billboard back here. Again, take a look at the welding job, paint job, no ripples, no dents. So give us a call, holler, or text if you want more than a smoker, if you want something that you're gonna be proud of for your restaurant, for your catering, for your family reunion in your backyard. And you can see we have many other models here. Most of these have deposits. Here's that chicken flipper. It's gonna be picked up in 2 days, and some others there. front exhaust vent. Look at the way it just blends right into the smoker. So give us a call, holler text 770-866-2561. When you're shopping, please compare apples to apples, welding to welding. This is what we do. 90% of what we do are just smokers. Yes, we do some utility trailers. We do corn roasters, potato roasters. But this is really what we do. Barbecue on.